Come on, man.
Come on, it's on inches. I can't do it. Can you help me?
What's up, guys? Clemens here, Pilot 509. Welcome back on the channel. In this video, after my son and I were done washing the Mooney, we took it up. We went to Hendersonville to pick up parts, and on our way back, he had some good time hands on flying the plane. He's 11 and he really wants to be a pilot. So I encourage you all to take the time, watch the whole video and see how good he was.
Wind 140 at 06. Visibility 10. Sky condition few 4,200. Temperature 31 Celsius. Dew point 22 Celsius. Altimeter 3009er. Remarks. Density altitude 2,300.
Outlaw traffic, Mooney 177 Foxtrot Delta, departing runway 17, will be departing to the southeast, Outlaw. Okay. No traffic in sight.
Runway 17.
Did you hear the warning? I want to make sure you hear, because somebody said that very good, fuel pump on. A little bit windy. We have clients with us. Nous pourrons aller very close to Nashville. It's about 20 nautical miles within Bralea. And clients wanted to go fly with us today. Alright?
Yeah,
And he's been flying too. To do.
I'm pulling it up because it's not at 0.
Alright, I got it.
Something.
Seven Foxtrot Delta on left base, runway 17, full stop, Outlaw.
Hello, traffic, cap 1587 is 9 miles to the northeast, inbound for landing 17 Outlaw.
Alright, no traffic in sight.
Traffic, 5 o'clock, half mile,
6 Country Charlie Sierra, departing the traffic to the east. 6.
Outlaw traffic, Mooney 17 Foxtrot Delta, final runway 17, full stop, Outlaw.
Portland traffic, Viper 938 Whiskey, left crosswind runway 19 Portland.
Short final runway 17.
traffic, Caravan 5 Alpha Bravo, jumpers way over the airfield 15,000 and below for the next 5 minutes. Use caution, Coleman. Portland traffic, 509 for direct with runway 194.
Nice.
Thank you, son. Just getting better by the second. By
Tell
the
me.
day. Outlaw traffic, money 177 Foxtrot Delta. Clear of the active, taxiing via Bravo, Outlaw.